Hi everyone, today we will learn how to create manual dispatch and invoice in Vision ERP. For creating dispatch in Vision ERP, we have to click on SCM, Sales, Sales Order, Sales Order module. We can see here these are the existing sales order which are already created in the system. For creating manual dispatch in Vision ERP, we have to select the sales order, click on Make Dispatch, select the dispatch date. Sales order number will be auto selected by the system. All other information will be selected by the system from the predefined masters. For example, dispatch to, delivery information, shipment information, commercial information. So I am clicking on the next button. For adding the line item in the dispatch, we have to click on add button. Select the line number. So these are the information which is already fetched by the system from the sales order. So I am selecting the first line item, enter the quantity, select the location, from which location we have to select the stock. Select the lot number, select the serial number, that's it. For adding the new line item, we have to click on add button, select the second line item, enter the quantity, select the location, select the lot number, select the lot serial number, that's it. So we will add one more line item. We will select the quantity, enter the quantity, select the location, select the lot number, from which lot number we have to out the stock, select the lot serial number, then click on the done button. Okay, so we have added 3 line items in the dispatch. Okay, so I am clicking on the finish button. After clicking on the finish button, we can see the summary of the dispatch. Okay, I am clicking on the done button. So our dispatch is created. So we will go to dispatch module. System will create a dispatch in the unconfirmed mode. So we can see the dispatch here in the gray mode. So we have to confirm this dispatch from here. So I am clicking on the confirm button. So after clicking on the confirm button, system will generate the invoice in the system. So I am clicking on the process trail. So we can see against that dispatch, system has generated the invoice here. So we can see the option of here view commercial invoice. So we will take a preview of invoice. So we can see the invoice generated by the system.